Your Pi account is about to get locked permanently unless you do this one thing before migration closes. That is not a scare tactic. That is the reality facing thousands of pioneers right now who still have not updated their phone numbers, completed their 2FA, or confirmed their Mainnet wallets. And today, I am walking you through every single update that is reshaping the Pi network ecosystem, from a rule change that could save your account, to early Mainnet tokens already appearing inside the Pi browser, to a statement from Pi Network co-founder Chengdiao Fan that has the entire global community rethinking what even 10 Pi could mean for their future. Stay with me to the very end of this video, because every section builds on the next, and by the time we finish, you are going to understand exactly where Pi Network stands right now and exactly what you need to do today. Let me start with something that is genuinely changing the game for a lot of pioneers right now. Pi Network has officially relaxed its phone number change policy, and this is a much bigger deal than most people are treating it. Previously, if you needed to update your phone number in the Pi app, you were only allowed to change 2 digits. That's it, 2 digits. If you changed carriers, moved to a different country, or simply lost access to your original number, you were essentially stuck. Your account was tied to a number you could no longer access, and your ability to verify, migrate, or secure your Pi was compromised because of it. That restriction is now gone. Pi Network is now allowing pioneers to update their full phone number, country code, and complete number directly inside the app. To do this, you go into the Pi app, tap on your profile, select Update Phone Number, enter your new number, and complete the verification process. That is the entire flow. It is straightforward, and it is available right now. The reason this matters so deeply is tied directly to what is coming next: Mainnet migration and 2FA wallet confirmation. If your phone number is outdated or inaccessible, your 2FA setup becomes a liability rather than a protection. So before you do anything else today, open your Pi app and verify that your phone number is current. If it is not, update it right now. Have you already updated your number? Drop "done" or "soon" in the comments below. I want to see how many pioneers in this community are already ahead of this. Now let's talk about something that is genuinely exciting to witness in real time. We are now seeing early Mainnet tokens beginning to appear inside the Pi browser. This is not a rumor. This is not speculation. Pioneers who are active inside the Pi browser ecosystem are observing the first wave of Mainnet assets surfacing as the remaining testnet phases gradually wind down. What this signals is that the infrastructure being built on Pi Network is moving from a development and testing stage into actual on-chain activity. As these Mainnet assets begin appearing, the expectation within the ecosystem is that more tokens, more applications, and more utilities will follow. The Pi browser is designed to be the gateway through which pioneers interact with Pi-based applications, wallets, marketplaces, payment systems, and ecosystem services, and seeing live Mainnet tokens inside that environment means the network is transitioning from theoretical to functional. What makes this particularly significant is the scale of what Pi Network is attempting to build. The vision the team has laid out involves encoding 20 economic sectors through a single unified API. Think about that for a moment. 20 sectors: commerce, finance, healthcare, logistics, education, entertainment, and more, all channeling activity through a single API layer that runs on the Pi blockchain. It would become one of the most comprehensive utility platforms in the entire crypto space, with practical use cases that go far beyond what most Layer 1 blockchains have managed to demonstrate. That is the benchmark being set. Not just utility for utility's sake, but utility that outperforms every competing blockchain in terms of real-world, practical application depth. We are not there yet, but the appearance of early Mainnet tokens is a concrete step in that direction, and it is happening right now as you watch this video. Now I need to take a moment to address something that is urgent for a large portion of the Pioneer community. If you have completed KYC but have not yet completed your Mainnet migration, this section is specifically for you, and I need you to pay close attention. Pi Network has made 2FA two-factor authentication a mandatory requirement for successful Mainnet migration. This is not optional. This is not something you can skip and come back to later. Without completing 2FA, your Pi cannot be successfully migrated to the Mainnet blockchain, and your wallet cannot be confirmed. Here is how the process works right now. Pioneers who have finished KYC but not yet migrated are receiving prompts inside the Pi app to add a trusted email address and complete 2FA to verify their Mainnet wallets. This is the most direct route. The app guides you through it step by step. Alternatively, if you are working through your Mainnet checklist, you can complete 2FA wallet confirmation in step 3 of that checklist, specifically the step labeled Confirm Your Pi Wallet. Either path gets you to the same destination, a confirmed, secure, migrated mainnet wallet. The reason Pi Network implemented 2FA is straightforward. As the ecosystem moves toward real on-chain activity, real transfers, and real value, security becomes a non-negotiable priority. A pioneer who has mined Pi for months or years and then loses access to their account because they skipped a verification step is a scenario nobody wants to see. 2FA adds a second layer of protection that makes unauthorized access significantly harder. Do not leave this for later. Do not assume you have unlimited time before migration phases tighten further. Complete your 2FA today. Your future self will be grateful you did not wait. Now I want to shift into a conversation that is dominating Pi Network communities around the globe right now, and it centers on something that Chengdiao Fan, co-founder of Pi Network, is reported to have said about long-term value. According to a statement being widely shared across the Pi Network community, Chengdiao Fan has sparked an intense global discussion by highlighting the idea that even 10 Pi could represent significant future value, depending on how the ecosystem develops. Let me give you the context and my own analysis on why this conversation is resonating so powerfully right now. The statement is deliberately framed around long-term ecosystem thinking rather than short-term price movement. In a space that is constantly obsessed with daily price charts, exchange listings, and market cap comparisons, a narrative that says the value of what you hold is tied to how big and how functional this ecosystem becomes over time is a fundamentally different conversation. And it is a conversation that actually makes sense when you examine the mechanics of blockchain value creation. Value in a blockchain ecosystem does not purely emerge from speculation. It can also emerge from demand, real, sustained demand driven by actual usage. If the Pi ecosystem successfully integrates payment systems, marketplace functions, decentralized applications, and utility services across multiple economic sectors, then the demand for Pi as the native token of that ecosystem grows from a functional foundation rather than from hype alone. The bigger the ecosystem, the more Pi is needed to participate in it, and the more meaningful each unit of Pi becomes relative to what it enables. That is the framework within which Chengdiao Fan's statement operates. It is not saying 10 Pi equals a specific dollar amount. It is saying, if this ecosystem reaches the scale and adoption it is being built for, early participation at any level could carry a weight that is difficult to fully appreciate from where we stand today. I want to be transparent with you about something, though, because I believe in giving you the full picture. This kind of narrative, early adoption plus long-term vision, is not unique to Pi Network. It appears in the early histories of many blockchain projects, some of which fulfilled that vision and many of which did not. The difference between those outcomes almost always comes down to two things: real utility and real adoption. Not just community enthusiasm, but actual, on-chain, use case-driven demand. What separates the Pi Network situation from pure speculation is the scale of the existing community and the infrastructure that is actively being developed right now. Millions of pioneers around the world are already part of this ecosystem. KYC processes are running. Mainnet migration is underway. The Pi browser is live. Early mainnet tokens are appearing. These are not promises, they are observable, happening developments. Whether 10 Pi becomes life-changing in value depends entirely on whether the ecosystem delivers on its utility vision at scale. That is honest. That is the full picture. And it is the standard against which Pi Network should be evaluated going forward. Before I wrap up, I want to say something directly to everyone watching this right now. You chose to be part of this community. You chose to stay informed. You chose to come to Crypto World channel to get updates that actually matter rather than noise that wastes your time. That means something, and I genuinely appreciate every single one of you for being here. If this video gave you clarity, gave you something actionable, or answered a question you have been carrying around for a while, drop a comment below and let me know which part hit the hardest. I read every comment, and your feedback shapes what we cover next. There is a full library of Pi Network deep dives, ecosystem updates, and crypto breakdowns already on this channel. Go explore them after this video. Every single one is built for pioneers who want real information delivered without fluff. Now do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to Crypto World channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. The Pi ecosystem is moving fast, and I am here every step of the way to make sure you move with it. This video is for informational purposes only. Nothing shared here constitutes financial advice or a recommendation of any kind. Always seek independent guidance from a qualified and regulated financial professional before making any investment or financial decision. See you in the next one.